To get started, go to the Google Play Store and search for the app Sync My Tracks, then download that and then open it. Once you've opened the app, there will be 3 lines in the top left corner. Select that and then select Export and Import. When you've done that, fill in your login information for both apps. That includes Nike Run Club and Strava. Once you've typed in all your login information, click Start on the top right corner and wait for the application to complete the process. Once it's finished, it will say Import Completed. When the export has been completed, tap Accept and then go to Strava or Nike Run Club and have a look whether the data has been imported. If you're finding that the import hasn't worked, go back to step 4 and repeat the process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks very much for watching.